Start by attaching all 15 cords to your ring with a lark's head knot. Attached all 15 cords to your ring, we're going to separate our project so that we're working in sections of 3. With these 3 cords, we're going to tie one kind of jumbo-sized square knot. So I'm just going to take the cord on the far right and left from that section and then tie a square knot around all 4 cords that are in the middle. Rotate your project around and repeat. Keep repeating this process all the way around your ring. And this is what it will look like once you have tied all sections. You should have 5 little points in total. Now what we're going to do is take each section and split them in half so that we're working with 3 cords from each section. We're going to take those 3 cords from 2 different sections. And we're going to kind of connect them together and tie an alternating square knot. This is also going to be that big size square knot where we have 4 cords in the middle and then we tie the knot with our right and our left cord. Just like that. Now just take your project, rotate it around again, and we're going to repeat the same process using 3 cords from 2 different sections. What it looks like once you have made your way all the way around the ring. Now we're just going to repeat the exact same process one more time. So we're going to take each section we just did and we're going to add 1 more square knot. Now go ahead and flip your project around for our next step. Now we're going to bring in a thin piece of cord. I'm just using some hemp twine, but you can honestly use any cord you want. You can even use thicker cord like you did for your project for this next step. All we're going to do is we're going to tie gathering knots at the bottom of each section of square knots. And as I'm sure you've guessed it, we're just going to be repeating the same process for every single one of our points, tying gathering knots at the base of each square knot. Once every gathering knot is done, I'm just going to flip my project back around to the front to finish up our little ornament. My last step is to take a pair of scissors and trim all the ends to the desired length. Last step is to tie a little piece of string onto your snowflake or star, whatever you want to call this, so that you can hang this up wherever you would like, whether that's a tree or just a wall, maybe in a window, as a doorknob, decoration, anything like that. This will allow you to hang this up. You can also, of course, just use this as flat decor. Maybe you can stick a little candle in the middle or use it as some kind of coaster. I'm just going to use a little tapestry needle to help me thread this into my project. I'm going to find the center square knot between two little sections, and I'm just going to go right through that square knot. And then I can just tie my cord together in an overhand knot, making the loop as big as I want, depending on where I want to hang this from. And I can take my scissors and just trim off the remaining ends right at the top of that overhand knot. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.